Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to install your AutoPlay Ninja plugin. The first thing you have to do is download the plugin. Now the way you would download the plugin is you would go under to your login actually to your membership site, and then from the drop down menu up here where it says AutoPlay Ninja, you would click on the plugin page and it will take you to this page where you can click on this button right here or this text right here, and that will download the plugin for you. Now when you hit that the text, it will download it probably to the default that's set up on your computer, and for most people it's set up on their download folder, so make sure you check your download folder on your computer to see if that's where the plugin got downloaded. Okay, I saved it on another location or in another location, so that's where I will be uploading it from. Now you can also access training from the drop down menu, and I'm assuming you've already found this because you're watching the training, so you've already found the section over here. So that's how you download the plugin. Now once you have downloaded it, then you would go in and log into your WordPress site. Now this can be any WordPress site. It does not matter. It does not have to be the site you're trying to install the plugin to. Okay, it could be any WordPress site. It could be a free domain. It could be any place. You're just going to install the plugin there and you're going to get the code from there. That's all you need the WordPress site for. You don't need it for anything. You don't need to install it multiple times. You just need to install it on one WordPress site, and it's that simple, really. So this is what we're going to do. Once you log into your WordPress site, you're going to be taken to a page like this. It's going to be the dashboard. And you're gonna navigate over here to the side and you're gonna click on plugins, or not click, but hover over plugins and then click on add new. Okay, so once you do that, if we were to search for it, if there was a pluggable plugin that was searchable, that's just where you would search and install it. But since you downloaded it and you can't, it doesn't show up there, okay, because you bought the plugin. So you have to upload the plugin you just downloaded. To do that, you would, over up here where it says add plugins, you would click on upload plugin, and then you would choose the file where it got downloaded. So once you click on choose file, it will take you to the latest folder that you uploaded something with. In my case, it went to the folder that has the plugin downloaded, where I saved it was in the folder called AutoPlay Ninja under plugin. Okay, in your case it might be under the downloads folder, because when you clicked on the download button it probably automatically saved it there. So make sure you click on the download folder and find it there, if it's there, or wherever autosave, whichever location you autosave it on. And then of course you can move it. You can create a folder called AutoPlay Ninja and you can move it over, which is what I did right here. So once you find the plugin, wherever it is stored on your computer, there it's a zip file. You do not have to unzip the file, okay? Leave it as it is. It's zipped, it's perfectly happy. You just click on that plugin, okay? So it's selected, and then you click on the open button. And it selects it for you right here. So you chose the file. Now you can click on install now, and it installs the plugin for you. So you can see you got the message here, plugin installed successfully. Now the next thing you have to do is activate the plugin. So click on activate plugin right there, and it should activate the plugin for you. Okay, so it activated it for you, and then it brought you to the plugin itself. All right, and it also shows up on your menu on the side. So anytime, even if you logged into this site later on sometime, you want to do this for another video, and you go into your WordPress site again later where you have this plugin installed, it would be on the side. So this would be when you log in first time, it'll be on the dashboard screen. You would just come in and click on the AutoPlay Ninja, and it'll take you to the plugin. And I will show you how to use this plugin in another video.